Did you know people decide if they like you in just 7 seconds? Yep. Before you even say your full name, their brain has already made up its mind. That's faster than tying your shoes, replying to a text, or opening a soda. And what's wild? Most of the time, we don't even notice we're doing it. But here's the good news. You can learn how first impressions work and how to shape them so people see the real you, not just a random snap judgment. Stay with me, because tip number 3 is something 90% of people get completely wrong. 1. The 7-second rule. Science says it only takes about 7 seconds for someone to judge your trust, confidence, and status. Now, is that fair? Number. But it is how our brains are wired. We make fast choices for safety, for social survival. So what you do in those first seconds, it matters. The great part is, you're not stuck with a bad first impression. You can learn the psychology and use it to your advantage. 2. The first 2 things. People notice. So what do people look at first? Not your clothes, not your phone, not your resume. It's actually, first, your face. A soft smile, not too big, makes you seem warm and real. Second, your posture, standing tall, without being stiff, shows quiet confidence. These 2 things speak before your words do. And the best part? You can practice them anytime. 3. The clothes myth. Let's bust a big myth. Most people think clothes are everything. They're not. Yes, you should dress neatly. But research says your voice and body language matter about 3 times more. You can wear a suit and still come off as nervous, or wear something casual and still seem sharp, kind, and confident. So next time you walk into a room, think about how you carry yourself and how you speak, not just what you wear. The handshake test. Okay, quick test. Have you ever had a weird handshake? A limp, soggy one, or one that crushed your fingers? Here's what to do instead. A good handshake is firm but relaxed, like you're holding a baby bird, steady but gentle. It tells people you're confident, but not trying too hard. And trust me, that first touch leaves a real impression. 5. The name trick. Here's a super simple trick to be more likable. Say someone's name right after meeting them. Nice to meet you, Sarah. Boom, instant connection. It shows you're listening and their brain loves it. Try it today and watch their face light up. 6. The mirror effect. This one's powerful. People tend to like others who act like them. This is called mirroring, and it works almost every time. If someone speaks softly, don't shout. If they're upbeat, smile a little more and match their rhythm. It's not about copying, it's about connecting. Their brain sees you as one of us, and that creates trust. Here's something to remember. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be real, confident, and present. Small tweaks like posture, voice, and using someone's name can change everything. People aren't judging your whole life, just a few quick clues. So, next time you meet someone new, remember this quote. You never get a second chance to make a first impression. But when you make it count the first time, you don't need a second. Which one of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I actually read them. Like this video if you learned something new. Share it with a friend who's shy but amazing. Hit subscribe for more psychology, motivation, and brain hacks every single week. And hey, if no one told you this today, you're doing better than you think. Keep growing. See you next time.